In this video, we're fitting sidebars, we're changing the wheels, and we're covering the B-pillar. So if you don't know how to, just watch this video. What we're gonna do today is gonna install this sidebar into the van. The reason why I wanted is to cover basically the pipe from the diesel heater, which is kind of in my way and I don't like the way it looks. And then I'm gonna change the winter tires with some my summer tires. So what we need to do for the side bars is to attach this bracket to the van, two brackets, and then we're gonna attach the bar to those two brackets. Very easy. The plastic tray needs to come off. There are two holes there. We're going to put some balls, attach those two, and job done. We need to cut the plastic to trim a bit the plastic where the bracket goes in, but yeah, I'm going to put this on a time lapse and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. To the sidebar, you need to make sure that is in the middle. The same distance is there, the same distance at that end. Now time for the B pillar. I cleaned the surface before I apply these covers. The reason why I went for this black B-pillar cover is because I want to tint the windows, and I think it's gonna look sick with this pillar cover. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about it, if you like it or not. Chop down. I think the van looks really good now with this look. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. What about these wheels? Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video with more upgrades to the van.